Have you ever forgotten to clean your paintbrush? If the answer is yes, then I have a solution. Cleaning a paintbrush, simple step-by-step instructions. Cleaning your paintbrush is essential for a long-lasting brush that will not lose its shape. So, how do you clean it? First, soak in a bowl of warm water. Add a little white spirit. Then in another bowl, add some dish soap to help soak off the chemicals. Next, get your comb and brush out the bristles to remove any dried out paint. After that, get a fresh bowl of clean water and rinse off your brushes. Grab yourself a clean cloth and dry them off. Finally, you want to rub a little fabric softener into the bristles, and there we have it. You should now find that your brush now looks and feels like new and ready to paint again. If you got some value from this video, then please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.